Hello everyone and welcome to my resource tutorial project. My name is Jimmie Taylor and I teach 3rd grade in the Circle School District in Towanda. Today I'm going to show you a website that I've just discovered called Quizz and the way I use it. I'm going to show you how I access it. It's Quizz right here, free quizzes for every student. If you've never used it, you'll need to create an account. I've used it a couple times, so I'm just going to log into mine. I logged in, signed in through Google. James Taylor, the professional me. And here we go. What Quizz is good for, it is great for student-paced formative assessments. It could also be used for summative assessments. Quizz is great for instruction, review, and evaluation. The data is compiled on a spreadsheet, so you're able to review the data, look at it. You can find quizzes that other teachers, like here you can see the Wednesday Wars. These are quizzes other teachers have created. You can search a topic for something you're looking for. I like to use it mostly by creating quizzes. And as you can see when I open this, this is the one I'll show you that I created for this tutorial. But we have used it twice with our Super Science and our Scholastic News. Each one had 10 questions and the kids are able to take the quiz. We let them use their magazines. And this is what it would look like after you create it. We always do a live game. And when we click that, it gives the students the option. The classic version, the test version, there's some bells and whistles that come with it. There's a leaderboard that they can see each other's names, and whoever answers the question the quickest, they are the top of the leaderboard. Obviously, for something we're taking a grade on, we disable that so they aren't distracted by that. So anyway, sorry I was so confused there. I'm going to do just a practice to show you what it looks like. We're going to play. You can choose your memes that show the kids in between questions. That can also be turned off. Here we go. Question 1. How much is Quizz to use? Is it free? Or 90210? $902.10? It is free, folks. We got a streak up here. Don't let your knowledge drift away. There's the leaderboard that I'm in 3rd place. Is Wi-Fi required to use Quizz? Yes, or only on Tuesdays after 4 p.m. You do need Wi-Fi to use Quizz. And I'm not just blowing smoke here. Oh, I'm at the top of the leaderboard, right ahead of the Tan Stallion. Which of the following is not a place to access Quizz? Website, Android app, the original Nintendo circa 1985, or the Apple app? It is available on all the other 3, but unfortunately not the OG Nintendo. So that was just kind of an example of a quiz. When you assign the quiz as for the students to take, they will have to enter a 6-digit game code, or you can also link this Quizz with your Google Classroom, which I know a lot of teachers use, as we do at my school. Here we are back on the page with my quizzes. I'll show you a sneak peek of This Dolphin is a Spy. Here you can see the questions that have been created. You can edit the quizzes once they've been posted. If I wanted to edit this quiz, I could come here, I could create a new question, I could add to it, I could change the image, I could switch answers around. It's really simple to navigate. I am kind of pausing it in between because I'm afraid I'm going to click on something that's going to reveal my student name, so I'm trying to avoid that. But I clicked on reports over here, and this gives the quiz name and how many total players. This was one 3rd grade class, 14 took it. This was the other 3rd grade class, and it shows you the accuracy, our Super Science, and then we did do one that another teacher had created just as our first attempt at using Quizz. It's very interactive. The kids really like it a lot. On the Bloom's taxonomy, I believe that it would fall under Understand, explains ideas or concepts, and it could easily fall there, but also clear to the top of the pyramid, create. The students could produce new or original work. They could be given chances to create quizzes of their own. Over on the Samer, I believe it would fall under modification because it's beyond paper and pencil. The technology allows for significant task redesign. This is engaging for the students. They really love it. I really love it, and it could really change how quizzes are given in the classroom. It only took me 3 times to get this right. So hopefully I've covered everything. My profile. I don't know what's going on here, folks. Like I said, I'm still new to all of this, so I hope that I have piqued your interest in Quizizz if you've not yet used it, and it is something that you can integrate into your classroom as well. So on that note, I say peace. Have a great rest of this 7 weeks, and I hope our paths cross soon. Thanks for joining me.